Today, we are discussing about the TNA 1.2 and also the TNA 1.3. Um, my qualification is about the fishing gear repair and maintenance NC3. Identifying training gaps. From my accomplished TNA from 1.1, those who were identified as no will be placed under the training gaps or requirements in the TNA Form 1.2. This means that the student need to be trained or teach the identify their competency in real scenario. For those competency that were identified as yes from the TNA Form 1.1, you will just copy the competency and place it under the current competencies in the TNA Form 1.2. Identifying the training gaps. Um, the basic competencies I found that three training gaps from 10A 1.1. First is under the competency of lead small teams, which is the supervised team performance. Under the competencies of solve problems related to work activities, with which is the LO1, explain the analytical techniques. And last is under the competency of use mathematical concept and techniques, which is the LO2, apply mathematical procedure and solution. Um, this um this LO we will just copy and place it under the training gaps, which is the training 1.2. Identifying the training gaps in the common competency. We have a um two competency that I found in my respondent. First is the LO3 under the use farm tools equipment, which is the perform preventive maintenance procedure and practices. And last is the perform estimation and basic calculation, which is LO1 perform estimation. Just what like I said, just will the copy the competency from 10A 1.1 and place it under the 10A 1.2. Identifying training gaps in the core competency. This core competency, this is no identified training gaps from 1.1 in core competency of the respondent. Identifying training needs. Using 10A Form 1.1, convert the training gaps from the 10A Form 1.2 into a training needs or the requirements. This is refers to the TR and identifying the modules titles or unit of competency of the training needs identified. From the training 1.2, we have a three competencies that I found are the training gaps. First is the supervised team performance under the competency of leading small teams. Kaya naging leading small teams, we convert in the action word, kaya mas naging leading. Second is the explain the analytical technique. And last, apply mathematical. Just what like I said, um, ginawa natin siya in action word. Kaya dinagdagan natin ng ing to solving and also the using mathematical concept and technique. And also the common competency, just what like I said, copy the competency or the training gaps of a respondent and place it another to the 1.3, which is gagawin ulit nating action word, dadagdagan natin ng ing. And also, the core competency have no identified training needs from 10A 1.2 in the core competencies. That's all and thank you.